Hello my friends, welcome to our channel Plus Size Models. Now in this video we are going to tell you about Bella MK in 2024. So guys, let's get started. Bella MK is a unique and beautiful plus size model. She is an Instagram star and a public figure. Bella is gorgeous and she is very hard working fashion model. The social media star has an amazing attractive figure. She is also a content creator. Bella is also a co-owner of Bella Billig Talent. It is a talent hunting modeling agency. Bella believes that not only thin and smart models can run the slow, but also plus size models can win the hearts of the people. She is a firm believer that all girls can reach to their goals and can be successful in this career. She is very famous on all social media platforms. Her fans love her look and post. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe my channel and share this video.